Greetings friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany if you've never been here before, and today's video is going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of June. For anyone who doesn't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription service where each month they take some money from your account and they send you a big beautiful box for you to try new full-size products. There's usually like 5-ish, but this is the Boxyluxe, which you get 3 times a year, 4 times a year. It's a seasonal thing. I'll put all the information down below. It's a really good subscription service. It's my favorite one. And this isn't sponsored or anything, so if that is anything. But anyway, I imagine the majority of people who are here because they have BoxyCharm and they want to see some spoilers, so let's go ahead and show you some spoilers for the Boxyluxe for the month of June. Before we get started, please hit the bell and subscribe to this channel. I put out new videos every week and I would love to have you here. It would mean a whole lot for a little YouTuber like myself, so if you could do that, that'd be great. It could be your good deed for the day. We need more good things in this world, so please subscribe and hit the bell. And now I think it's time that we stop talking about it and start being about it and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see what I got in this month's BoxyCharm Boxyluxe, just keep on watching. You guys, I waited. I haven't even broken the seal. I waited to do this with you, and I'm so excited. It's like Christmas morning, but in June, during a pandemic. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Ooh, what is all of these? Pepper. Waiter, you put too much pepper in my paprikash. Okay. So the theme for the box this month is the Oasis, and this is the little card that has all the information on the products that we got on the back, so I can look at it and let you know how much things cost. Down below I will also put if items are cruelty-free, because this is a cruelty-free YouTube channel, so if they're not cruelty-free, they're going to be put in a box for donation, which is what I do each month. But usually BoxyCharm is pretty good about doing all the cruelty-free items, so check down below for details on that. And for a link to sign up if you haven't signed up, though I'm sure you're signed up because you're here. Unless you're just like me, in which case, love you too. So the first item I see in the box right here is from Mr. Green Grass. This is their CBD head to toe cream, and it looks like it is just a really small bottle of an intense moisturizer that uses CBD oil, but it does not use any THC. I'm interested in trying this because it says that it's gonna boost hydration and make you really, really smooth and calm. And I could really use this right now because I recently got this new tattoo right here. I don't know if you can see her, but whenever I get tattooed, I get a rash like from that spot down. So this whole part of my arm right here has a rash on it, and my leg has a rash on it because I'm allergic to everything. Existence is difficult for me. So I would be very interested in putting this on those rashes and seeing how it works. This is, I believe, a full-size product. It's 1 fluid ounce. And it retails for $56. This little guy is $56. I would never. Would you spend that much on something this small? I don't know. Let me know down below, and let me know if you've tried this because I would love to know, and I hope it's cruelty-free. I don't see anything on the bottle that says one way or the other, but that info will be down below, and fingers crossed for me. The next item in the box is from the brand Pur Lisse, and this is their Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. I am interested in this. If you are not new, what? If you are new here, you would not know, but I do not wear foundation. This is just my skin. But I have been interested in trying a BB cream just for days where I want, I don't know, a little something extra. And this does say matte meets glowy finish, which leaves me very interested. And it says it's for all skin types, even sensitive. And let me tell you, Mama's got some sensitive skin. That was a weird cross-eyed situation, but I'm interested in trying this. This is, I believe, a full-size product, and it retails for $35. Does it have a shade name on it? Medium. It's a medium shade. So let's give it a swatch on my hand and see what medium looks like, because I can be medium. I know I look pretty light, but let's be real, the cosmetic industry caters to people with my skin tone, and for light skin, I could be like a medium light, you know what I mean? So let's see how, see, exactly. It's a medium, which I would be considered in the grand scheme of things pretty white, but that is not that much darker than my hand. So I feel like blended out, I could use this on my face pretty well. It smells like makeup. Like your grandma's makeup almost? Yeah, moving on. Interesting, they also included a card instead of a box that has all of the ingredients that you would normally see on a box, which I find interesting. It gives you instructions on how to use it if you're using it as a sunscreen, which is pretty cool. I do appreciate getting something with SPF because even though I don't go outside, I would like to be protected because I'm also very allergic to the sun because I am weak bloodline, Jesus. Okay, I got quite a few things in here. The Boxyluxe is pretty cool because I'm looking in and we still got a lot to go. So let's move on to the next product, which is this. Holy crap, this thing is expensive. Okay, so this is from the brand, I believe is pronounced Malin and Goats. This is their recovery treatment oil and it retails for, wait here, $82. So it says that it helps to address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and hydrates the skin. I will say, as a 31-year-old lady, I do appreciate a product like this and I would never spend this much on an oil. I don't think I would. I mean, I have spent a lot when it comes to skincare. Drunk Elephant is my skincare brand and it is expensive, but I don't know. A facial oil for $82? I don't know. Let me know down below if you've tried this. I really hope this is cruelty free because that's a lot of money and I like to try expensive things on my face. But I do not know. Fingers crossed for me. Oh, wait. Oh, bitch. On the bottom it says cruelty free and it's got the bunny. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Moving on to another skincare product actually, and it's from a skincare brand that I believe is popular just based on the owner, and one that I have not tried. And it is from the brand Kylie Skin, and it is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. The bottle is a little bit dirty or warped right here, so I wonder if it opened up in transit. Let's check it out real quick. But this is a full-size product and it retails for $24. So let's check her out. Oh, what the heck? Odd. This is not, it does feel like some came out, but this is not the type of packaging I would expect for a face wash. I was thinking that maybe the wrong thing was in the box, but no, it is a face wash. It says it on the bottle. I'm assuming you just pump it out. I don't know why this is so confusing to me. I will give this a shot. My skin is a little bit particular. I've switched face washes once and it didn't go well for me, so I tend to stick with Drunk Elephant, but I will give this a shot, and if not, my husband can use it. He is not picky with what goes on his skin, and I'm pretty sure Kylie Skin is cruelty-free. I have tried nothing from the brand. I am interested in trying it. I just don't tend to gravitate towards Kylie Jenner's beauty products. Don't know why. Maybe it's because of the stigma with, you know, Kardashians and Jenners, but it just has never interested me particularly, but I will give it a shot, and if I do like it, maybe I'll buy it again. Maybe I won't. Who's to say? And it does also come with a little card here to get $5 off your next Kylie Skin purchase, and the code is Boxy5 in case you want to take advantage of that. Hopefully I'm still in frame. I just had to adjust because my ankle was falling asleep. This is a new setup, by the way, so if it looks weird, let me know. I'm still kind of working it out with this new camera. Moving on. We have a couple more items left. Let's first move on to this little guy. Ooh, interesting. This right here is from the brand Smile Sciences, and it is their teeth whitening set that retails for $80. Apparently it is 2 teeth whitening pens in a mint flavor. I am interested in trying this. I don't feel like I have particularly yellow teeth, but I mean, they could always be whiter. I do drink a lot of coffee. As I sip more coffee. Interesting. So you brush your teeth, you dry your teeth, you put this on, then you wait 30 minutes, and I think you're supposed to not let your lips touch your teeth. So you're just like this for 30 minutes, which sounds crazy, but I will give it a shot. Maybe I'll film a video on this, like put it on and use it a couple times, and a month later let you know how it goes. It says that this should last a month. So maybe I'll do that. Let me know if you'd like to see a video on how this actually works, because I'd be curious to see if my teeth get any whiter. Moving on. We have 3 more products. Boxyluxe kills it? Okay. The next 3 products are actually all makeup, which I'm excited for. This one here is from Bodyography. It is their lip pencil set in the shades Pouty and Rosewood. So I believe it's just 2 lip liners, which is cool. I do love lip liners. If you did not know. I like lip liners. Okay. I don't know if I've ever tried this brand before. Okay, so it's just 2 pencils. This brand, this packaging actually does look familiar to me, but then again, it could just be that it looks like all wooden lip liners. Let's do quick swatches of the colors. Oh, it's not too stiff for a wood, actually. That's what she said. So those are the shades right there. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not sure how the focus is going to work on this because my autofocus has been a bitch, but they're nice rosy tones, everyday tones. I feel like this is the kind of lip liner shade that Tarte would release, you know, very safe for the everyday consumer. I will probably use them. The pink one I could see myself using quite often. And I'm just always happy to have lip liners because I use lip liner every day, and oftentimes I'm like, oh, I wish I had this type of shade. I'll just make it work with this. So all the colors are welcome here. Thanks. Okay, the second to last item in the box is from the brand Lily Lashes, but it's not false eyelashes. It is their mascara. I believe I was able to customize this item, and I was really excited. To try it because I have not tried a mascara from Lily Lashes, and I'm always open to trying new mascaras to see if there's something else that I will love more than my Essence Lash Princess, though I doubt I'll ever find it because my Essence Lash Princess is perfection. I like the packaging. This retails for $24, which is $20 more than I usually spend on mascara, so wowza. And the brush looks pretty standard, just like a fatter version of like the everyday brush. Smells like mascara. I will give this a go, let you know what I think. Follow me on Instagram. You'll get more consistent updates on there because I'm on there every day, whereas I'm only on here 2 to 3 times a week. It's Bradderstein, just like my namesake here. So if you're interested in knowing what's up, check me out there. And now, the last product, which is a biggin in the box. This is from the brand Tarte Cosmetics, and it retails for $49. And this is their Tarte Pro palette. I do not own this. I have never owned this. Let's see what it looks like. So this is the palette right here. It looks to be just filled with staple neutrals. I feel like overall Tarte has fine eyeshadows, and I feel like they're very good for the everyday consumer. So this would be a really good item to include in a makeup subscription box. The mirror is awesome. I will say that. Like, my whole head fits in it. The colors look to be really pretty. It looks like you can just create straight across looks, which makes it really easy and beginner friendly. And the colors are the types of colors that people who are intimidated by makeup or are just getting into it or just want like something everyday, they could use this easily. That's what Tarte does best. So let me do the math real quick and tell you what the retail value is on this box. Let's do some math, but not in our heads because the public school system failed us. Okay, so I just did the math, and the overall retail value of the box is $378, and I'm pretty sure that I only pay $50 for the Boxyluxe. Yeah, it's like $49 for the Boxyluxe, so that is significantly more expensive than what I spent on the box. To be honest, if you were ever interested in just this palette, for example, you could get the box and then get all this other stuff for free, which is the reason I love BoxyCharm so much. So for me, BoxyCharm's a win. It always will be a win. It's one of the only 2 subscription services that I've kept because I really like it, and I always recommend it. So anyways, guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Do your little good deed for the day and help a little YouTuber like me become relevant. No, I'm just kidding, but I really do appreciate you being here when you could be anywhere else in the world, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay.